Welcome to my channel Numismatic Coins. Hello guys, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will tell you about 1972 USA 5-cent coin, the nickel that could be worth millions, asterisk asterisk. We're diving into the fascinating world of numismatics to uncover the secrets behind the 1972 USA 5-cent coin. You might be surprised to learn that this seemingly ordinary nickel could hold a value worth millions. Stay tuned as we explore its unique features, historical context, and the potential fortune hiding in plain sight in your pocket change. Before you dismiss that 1972 nickel as just 5 cents, let's take a closer look. Some of these nickels might be worth much more than their face value. Historical context. In 1972, the United States Mint produced a significant number of nickels. However, what makes certain 1972 nickels special goes beyond sheer quantity. It's about the unique characteristics that set them apart. Rarity. What contributes to the rarity of the 1970 to 5-cent coin? We're talking about minting errors, double dies, or other anomalies that occurred during production. These variations can turn an ordinary nickel into a sought-after gem in the world of coin collecting. Expert Inside. To gain deeper insights, we spoke with numismatic experts who shared their expertise on why collectors are willing to pay top dollar for certain 1972 nickels. The 1970 to 5-cent coin can be worth significantly more if it exhibits errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or other unique variations. Collectors value these coins not just for their age, but for the rarity and distinctiveness they bring to a collection. Valuable variations. Let's take a look at some examples. This 1970 to 5-cent coin with a double die error recently sold at auction for mention the amount, turning it into a small fortune for its owner. Collector testimonials. We also reached out to passionate collectors who shared their stories of finding valuable coins in everyday circulation. It turns out that sometimes a closer look can reveal hidden treasures in your pocket change. Identifying valuable coins. If you're eager to try your luck in the world of coin collecting, keep an eye out for subtle differences in the coin's details. Consult with experts. Use magnification tools, and stay informed about recent sales to gauge the potential value of your discovery. Conclusion. So, the next time you come across a 1972 USA 5-cent coin, remember, it might be more than just 5 cents. It could be a hidden gem worth millions. Happy hunting, and may you uncover your own numismatic fortune. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting.
To watch more, subscribe.